friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. I do lifestyle, beauty, travel, and some fashion videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So you guys, today's video is all about the Microlocs Feedin cornrows, braids, whatever you want to call it, that I did. I showed, well, I posted a photo on my Instagram and you guys were like, wait a minute, this isn't innovative, this is cute. Show us how you did it. So I'm going to be showing you guys that method today. So if you guys are interested and you want to hear all about it, see the process of the Feedin braids, definitely keep on watching. Guys, before we get started, I want to talk about the hair that I used. All right, so this hair is by Bobbi Boss. This is not sponsored, okay? I just was looking up some like Microlocs. I maybe wanted to do some clip-ins and I came across this hair. This is the Bobbi Boss Microlocs. That's it, 18-inch in the color number 1. Let me show you the package. So this is the hair right here. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. As you can see, the colors up there, Bobbi Boss Microlocs. All right. So this is the hair. All right. And this is one piece right here. All right. But it comes as 4. Do you see how that is? It comes exactly like that. It looks like 2 pieces that have been sewn together. All right. So this is crochet hair. And this is where you would crochet it into your head, all right? So this is what the hair looks like. Let me show you the ends. Very cute, very cute. All right, now that you saw what the individual pieces of the hair looks like, this is like what I would call a bundle. Just took a rubber band and I grabbed a bunch of the locks and I put it together, all right? So this is kind of sort of what the hair looks like. It is 18 inches. It's very it's not hollow at all, so these are dense little locks, okay? You can't squeeze them and they'll flatten. They're very dense. So yeah, I think this resembles Microlocs at its best, like really small Microlocs. I think they did a really good job with this hair. So I used 2 packs of this hair, 1 pack on each side, and I probably didn't even use a full pack. It may have been 1.5 packs, to be honest. But the most you'll need for any one of these styles is 2 packs. The link that I'm going to provide you guys, I got the hair off of Amazon. The link that I'm going to provide you, I think it comes in multiple pieces or multiple packs. So I think you can buy like a 4 or 5 pack at once. I went ahead and got the 4 pack deal and just bought the hair like that. All right, so I do have 4 packs of hair. You can never have too much, right? You might want to try it for something else, or you might want a thicker bun or something like that. All right, so we're going to get into the Feedin braids. I had to stretch my hair because it's so thick, and whew, Lord, it's hard these days to get it into styles. So actually I went ahead and did 2 cornrows going back. I'm going to turn around and show you guys, but these are stretching my hair. It's been like this for about 1.5 hours. When you stretch it out a little bit, it's easier to tuck in the ends of your hair so that, you know, they won't stick out. So anyway, I have it stretched right now. Let me do a twirl and show you guys what my hair looks like. All right, you guys, so I'm going to take down these braids. I'm actually going to take down 1 at a time and do 1 at a time and show you guys. Now, on the photos, I did do 4 braids. Why? Because I said my hair was so thick and I couldn't get 1 braid in. And I still may not be able to just do 1. I may have to split these into 2. So I'm going to see if I can work 2 braids only instead of 4. So in this tutorial, y'all are getting 2 braids, okay? If you have a fresh retie, this is probably not the best time to do this because you're going to be pulling at your hair, and ouch, ouch, thinking about that hurts my head. So but I do have a couple of rows in the back of my head where I had to retie it because Literally, y'all, my locks were hanging by 2 threads, and I know I'm finna lose a couple of locks back here because don't be like me. I waited too long to do the retie. So when I'm doing my feed-in braids, I grab one piece at a time, and remember, one piece is 2 pieces folded in half. Okay, so it looks like 4 pieces. All right, so this is, anytime I add hair, I'm only adding one of these. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover for this part. I can't talk and do it at the same time, honey. It's too much. I'm gonna start by braiding the front of my hair a couple of times, and now I'm gonna add in one piece of the hair. I'm going to flip one end back and then the other end forward to keep it out of the way, and then I'm going to continue my braid. Okay, as you can see, I did tuck that under my index finger. I'm going to go 1, 2, and then I'm going to take that forward piece and tuck it under my index finger into the braid. Okay, right after that, I'm going to go ahead and add another piece. Okay, so I'm doing 2 of these. All right, going to continue to braid 1 and then 2 with tuck it under the index finger. Okay, so I've done that twice. Now I'm going to do 1 braid without adding any hair. So 1 and 2. Now I'm gonna go back in and add more hair. So that was my pattern throughout this whole thing. And keep in mind, all while remembering your pattern, you gotta remember to grab the hair on your sides, like I'm doing right now, okay? When you tuck the hair under your index finger on both sides. So I grabbed hair on my edges, tucked it in with the hair, but also on the top, on the other side, you have to make sure that, you see here, I'm pulling that hair over. Yeah, you got to make sure that you're also pulling that hair over so that it can be a nice, tight, cohesive look. So I'm just going to continue the remaining steps and let y'all finish watching how I do this. And while you're watching, just note that I'm not pulling too tight. I already have thin edges, so I made sure that, you know, I didn't have as much tension on my edges. Also, you guys, if you want to make this braid really long, you're just going to keep feeding in the hair all the way down, even though you're done with the attachment part to your head. Even when you get to the loose braid, you want to keep adding hair to make it long. If you don't want it long, then you can stop adding hair maybe around the midpoint of the braid. So that's how I got my braid really, really long. I just kept adding more hair all the way down the braid, and it gave me a really long look, and I really love it. And this is what it looks like when I have completely finished it. I absolutely love the look. Doesn't look too much more thick than my natural hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna show you guys that on camera. It's the exact same way. All right, you guys, so that is it to the video. Pretty simple. So I had some gold string. It's stretchy, and I just tied a couple of those around each of the braids just to give it, you know, a more decorative look, jizz it up a little bit. And this is what I have come out with. Let me give you guys a twirl so you can see the back. Never mind my gray hair. We're gonna let them live today, okay? Just wait until my hair fully locks, because bye-bye grays. Okay, so let me give you guys a twirl so you can see. So you guys can let me know what you think in the comment section below. This was super easy to do. I absolutely love it. Let me stand up so you guys can see how long it is. Alright, you guys, please check below. Look in the description box for information on the hair. There's a link down there for you guys to purchase the hair. And as always, I will talk to you guys down below in the comment section.